Hello, folks, and welcome to another, another episode of Cooking with Kel. And today I got another sweet treat for y'all today. I know y'all gonna enjoy this one because I know a lot of people like this. They get it when they go to the drive-ins. They get it when they go to the movies. They get it when they go to Sonics. They get it when they go to McDonald's. They get it at rallies. They get it at Burger King. So tonight I'm gonna bring it to you from Cooking with Kel in my home. None other than the sweetest treat that everybody loves. We eat it with hamburgers. We eat it with everything. I even eat it with regular food, to wash it down. And today, that is going to be my sweet treat. And my sweet treat is the banana berry milkshake, y'all. Oh, I know y'all gonna love this here. I'm loving it. If y'all don't like milkshakes, then I'm sorry for you. I don't know where y'all been at. I don't know why y'all even on the planet. But today, I'm bringing you my banana berry milkshake. And when I say banana berry, that means strawberries and bananas combined, mixed together, in love with each other. And this is a good treat. I love it. I love that combination. I've been eating that combination for years. I've been getting banana berry shakes all my life. I put it together. I love that combination, just like I love grape and wild cherry together. So, but tonight we're not going to do the smoothies. We're doing a banana berry milkshake, y'all. So when I come back, I'm gonna bring y'all the ingredients, show y'all the ingredients, and we're gonna put this thing together. And I'm gonna show y'all how it works. It's a little sweet and easy. Don't even take long. That's all you need is a blender and the ingredients that go in it. So it don't even take long. So when I come back, folks, I'm gonna show you the recipe. Well, I'm gonna put the recipe in the description. But what I'm going to do is show you the ingredients of how to make this delicious milkshake. So stay tuned, and I'll see y'all in a few minutes. All right, folks, welcome back. Today I'm making my very delicious sweet treat, and this sweet treat is a good one, y'all. My banana berry milkshake. So here are all the ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need you remember we talked about this when I did the strawberry shortcake, the little quick, you need the strawberry shortcake. Get you some whipping cream. You're gonna need a banana. You can use strawberry syrup, which I'm gonna use too, because if you don't have strawberries, you can use this as well. You're gonna also need some strawberry extract, some banana extract, some fresh Louisiana strawberries. Louisiana. That's how we do. Louisiana. I always go to a Ponchatoula's and get my strawberries when the Pontchartrain Fest is in town. But since the COVID, they eliminated that, so I get them out of Winn-Dixie or wherever I can get them from. You're also going to need, but make sure they're fresh, and as you can see, I already washed them, cleaned them 3 times. Because I have plenty more, and you know what I'm gonna do with that. That's going with the strawberry shortcake, what I'm gonna make again. So I already washed them 3 times. I also washed them in vinegar too, in water. So to make sure I get all the dirt out, make sure you do your strawberries, make sure they clean. Wash them 3 times if you have to, 4 if you have to, it depends. But make sure they clean and no parasites or nothing on them from stoves and people touching and all kind of stuff. So we got the Louisiana strawberries. We also gonna need some milk. Now, I always use 2% since the doctor put me on 2%. He don't want me drinking whole, I guess, because of the diabetes thing. But looking at all this, you would think I don't have diabetes, but I got type 2. But I'm about to beat that situation. In the name of Jesus, getting rid of that diabetes thing. I'm not going to name that. I'm not going to even name it. But anyway, folks, let's get back to this here. You're going to also need some vanilla ice cream. Now, you can use vanilla, but see this here? I love Bluebell. That's my favorite because it touches home like Mama used to make. But I also like the vanilla. But I like the homemade vanilla. See, homemade on both of these. Let me flip this here around so y'all can see. Homemade vanilla. Nothing like it. Homemade vanilla ice cream. That's what I use. Now you can use vanilla bean, vanilla plain, vanilla syrup, whatever you want, but I'm using that. Also, you see this cup here, because that's what that bad boy, when I finish making this milkshake, going in. And I'm going to sip that on that tonight. So without further ado, let's get to putting this thing together. Now, I'm going to walk you over here. You're going to definitely need a blender too. Now, you can see this blender already got strawberries in it because I just made a big old batch of strawberries for my strawberry shortcake that I'm going to do again. I already made that, so it's got some strawberry juice and stuff left over in there. So we're going to take, go back around here. We're going to take these strawberries. Let's slip that back around here. We're going to take this top off. Take your lid off. And if you don't have a blender, you can also smash them up with a fork or whatever. You can even put your shoes on and smash them if they clean. But anyway, we're going to put all your strawberries in here like I showed you before. This blender getting some use, y'all. I've been using this blender for a good little minute now. So, but I brought it, so it's time to use. Now, with this here recipe, you don't need no sugar because all the sugar is going to be in the ice cream. So, you know, we don't need that much sugar. I don't want y'all to end up getting sugar diabetes or getting going into a sugar coma. But, okay, we got the strawberries in. Let's top that up. Now we're going to flip back over here again, and we're going to get this banana from here, you know? So let's put this banana. Let me put the camera down for a minute while I peel this banana. Now what you can do, make sure you got you some fresh bananas, some nice yellow ripe bananas. As you can see, I got my bananas, nice color, nice texture. Taking the lid back off this here. Now what you want to do is take your banana. It's hard to operate with this phone. I gotta hurry up and get me a real camera. You're gonna take, like I'm doing, the banana all in the way. But you're gonna, anyway, folks, you're gonna just take and slice your banana up and put in there as well. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing because I'm trying to multitask here. But anyway, I'm peeling my banana. Come on, Mr. Banana, quit. We're going to put that banana in there. We're going to chop all that up. And I'm just using a spoon, y'all, to cut this banana in there. Y'all get the drift what I'm trying to do. We're going to take the banana, and we're going to put that in there like that. And you want you some nice, fresh, ripe bananas. All right. I got to sit that down, y'all. But let me finish peeling this banana, y'all, and then I'll show y'all how it looks. Let me see, can I get my camera to angle this way so y'all can really see what I'm doing. Maybe I can sit it over here. And maybe y'all can see. All right, folks, here we go again. I got it set now so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so far we incorporated the strawberries into their mixer, the blender, and we also put the bananas in there. Now what I'm going to do is take some milk. And you know I don't measure everything, so what I'm going to do is put some milk in here. I want to say about a cup of milk. I put a cup of milk in there. And also with the whipping cream, you're going to take the whipping cream. I put about a cup of milk in there, and I mean a measuring cup of milk. And I'm going to put about, say, 1/4 of cream in there, because this stuff is real strong and heavy. All right. Put that back in the refrigerator. Now we're going to come with some banana extract. We're going to use the banana extract, and we're using banana extract And we're going to also use some lemon extract. Well, strawberry extract. I don't know why I say lemon, but it's strawberry extract, folks. Bear with me because I never peeled it and opened it. It's my first time opening both of these extracts. I should have pre-opened them before I started the video, but this is live cooking, y'all. Live cooking. I'm showing y'all live stuff, you know. And I'm glad this here got a little cap on it that I can open it up and you can squirt something in there instead of just pouring the whole thing. And as you can see, for how small this is for $3 and something. They know they getting over on us, but it's all good. But I need to make my stuff. So like I said, I'm just checking to make sure everything's still running. So we're gonna put about 2 drops of banana extract in here and 2 drops of the strawberry extract as well. So we're gonna put 2 drops each. If y'all can see me, I'm sorry if y'all can't. Do a better video next time, but tonight, 1, 2 of that. And you're gonna put 2 drops of strawberry in there. Now we got both our extracts in there. Let me make sure I put them in the right thing. So banana go in this one, strawberry go in this one. Now, just like you used to make strawberry milk when you was young, I'm also use the strawberry syrup. So you're gonna put some strawberry syrup in there, and you don't want to put too much, but you can put enough, like you're making strawberry milk. But I'm gonna put, say, about that tad, about a fourth of the strawberry syrup. Now we're gonna take some of this. You know, I brought this here ice cream just for the make, because I like my blueberry to eat with my ice cream. And I'm so glad, y'all, that they put lids and stuff and plastic over the ice cream now, so nobody won't be trying to lick them. You know, that's disgusting. Nobody don't want no ice cream that's been licked. But we're going to take a couple of scoops of these. I said it depends on how much milkshake you want for the night. So I'm making a big one. So I'm going to have some for tomorrow. So I'm going to take 2 big scoops of ice cream from the 2 scoops of that from that one. And that's Mayfield's. You can use brine or whatever kind of ice cream you want. Like I said, I like bluebell. I like brown velvet. You know, it don't matter. I like them all. Blue bunny. It depends on whatever ice cream you want to use. It ain't no wrong ice cream to use. I just don't use that iced milk because I can't stand that. That ain't nothing but, like I said, milk. So now we're gonna put a couple of scoops of this homemade bluebell in there. I know this is gonna bring it out. So I'll take a couple of scoops of that, and it's real stiff, y'all, because I had it in my refrigerator, and the refrigerator keeps everything nice and moist and cool and frozen. You ain't got to worry about nothing melting in there. So I'm gonna put that's about a good couple of scoops. Something about that bluebell, boy. Whoever taught them how to make ice cream, whew, they taught them well. I'm so greedy. You know I got to lick the spoon. All right, folks. And there you have it for the ice cream, for the ice cream stuff. So now what we're gonna do is take and we're gonna go over here and blend this bad boy up. I'm going over here and blend it now. Now you can blend this real good because you want this to be like a milkshake. You don't have to put no ice in there unless you just want ice in there. But I'm blending this. This is gonna be a milkshake, not a smoothie. So make sure your lid is covered.